Hello and welcome to our tutorial on Angular theming with CSS variable fallbacks. Let's start by importing the necessary decorators from Angular core. We have component for declaring the class as a component, and host binding to bind properties to host element styles. We're defining our component using the @component decorator, giving it a selector app myComponent. We will also define some inline template and styles soon. These allow us to encapsulate the look and feel of our theme-ready component. Here's our component's template. It's a simple div with a class-themed element. The content within will be styled based on the theme we define. Now onto the styles. We're using the host pseudo-class selector to target styles at the component's host element. Notice the use of CSS variables with fallback values. If the custom properties are not defined elsewhere, the default colors specified as fallbacks will be used. We use host binding to bind our component's properties to custom CSS variables. We have primary color and secondary color properties, both initialized to empty strings. These will correspond to CSS variables for theming. In the constructor, we assign default colors as fallbacks to our CSS variables. The logical OR operator ensures that if primary color or secondary color properties are not explicitly set, the default values will be used. This approach to theming with CSS variables ensures that our component is flexible and can dynamically adapt to different themes, with sensible fallbacks for environments where custom properties might not be supported. And that wraps up our tutorial on Angular theming with CSS variable fallbacks. Thank you for watching.